In section 4.6, we learn how to estimate the sums and differences in products and quotients of numbers. And so we're looking at three items here. One is a ladder, one is an electric toothbrush, and one is a bar stool. And so they have the indicated prices here. So when we look at the first exercise, it says estimate by rounding to the nearest 10 the total cost of one ladder and one bar stool. So rounding the cost of a ladder to the nearest 10, 319.95, that's 320. So in other words, it's 320 for the ladder, and for the bar stool to the nearest tens would be 270. So then that estimate will give us 590. So that's the answer to the first question. And then for number 2, how much more does the ladder cost than the electric toothbrush? Estimate by rounding to the nearest 10. And which of the following is an appropriate estimate? When we look at the cost of a ladder to the nearest 10, it's 320. And the cost of the toothbrush to the nearest 10 would be 170. And since we're asked how much more it costs, we subtract. So in 320 minus 170 is 150. In other words, the answer is D. In exercise 3, we had to estimate the total cost of 6 electric toothbrushes. Which of the following is an appropriate estimate? From the previous example, number 2, the cost of a toothbrush is rounded to 170 times 6, and 170 times 6 is 1020. Therefore, answer B would be the correct choice. In the next 3 exercises, we have to estimate each product and do not find the actual product. So which of the choices is an appropriate estimate? 2.4 times 8, we round 2.4 to 2, so the approximation is 2 times 8, and that's equal to 16. A is the proper choice. Number 6, we round 24 to 20, and we round 0.6 to 1, round up, and that's equal to 20. Again, these are estimates, so choice D is the correct choice. Number 7, we round 0.86 to 1, and 0.432, we round that to 0.4, and 1 times 0.4 is equal to 0.4. The B is the correct approximation. Number 8, we round the first factor to 0.8, round it down, times 0.1, and that's equal to 0.08. C is the correct approximation. For number 9, we round 0.12 to 0.1, and we round 18.248 to 18. and 0.1 times 18 is 1.8. The correct approximation is B is 1.8. For number 10, we round 24.234 to 24, round it down, and we round 5.2 down to 5, and 24 times 5 is 120. B is the correct estimate. Next, we have some quotients where we use estimates. We round 59.78 to 60. And we round 29.1 to 30. And 60 divided by 30 is 2. The estimate C is the appropriate estimate, 2. For number 12, we round 82.08 to 80, and we round 2.4 down to 2, and 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. A is the appropriate estimate. In number 13, we round 0.1768 to 0.2, and we round 0.08 to 0.1, and that's equal to 2. Therefore, C is the appropriate estimate. In number 14, we round 0.0069 to 0.01, and we round 0.015 to 0.2. And 0.01 divided by 0.2 is equal to 0.05, which means C is the appropriate estimate, 0.05. And this is the end of section 4.6.